Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our daily legal roundup. It's Friday, May 30th, 2025, and we're here to bring you the most significant legal developments from the Supreme Court and High Courts across India. Let's dive into today's top stories. Supreme Court explains essential elements of a valid legal notice. Bhushan. The Supreme Court today outlined the essential components of a valid legal notice, ruling that a notice does not necessarily have to be in writing or sent through a registered post. The court emphasized that the primary objective is to inform the other party about the grievance, and as long as this is achieved, the mode of communication is immaterial. 1. Supreme Court returns to full-strength. Bhushan. Today, the Supreme Court of India regained its full-sanctioned strength of 34 judges. Justices N.V. Anjaria, V.J. Bishnoi, and Atul S. Chanderkar were sworn in by Chief Justice B.R. Gavai at a ceremony held at the Supreme Court's Extension Building. Justice Anjaria previously served as the Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court, Justice Bishnoi as the Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court, and Justice Chanderkar was a senior judge at the Bombay High Court. 2. Directive on NEET PG 2025 examination. Bhushan. In a significant move, the Supreme Court directed the National Board of Examinations to conduct the NEET PG 2025 examination in a single shift on June 15. The court emphasized that conducting the exam in multiple shifts could lead to unfairness and arbitrariness, potentially affecting the integrity of the examination process. Contempt proceedings against journalist Ajay Shukla. Bhushan. The Supreme Court initiated suo motu criminal contempt proceedings against journalist Ajay Shukla for making scathing and scandalous remarks about a senior judge. The court also directed YouTube to take down the video containing these allegations. Rebuke over police complaint against SCBA election panel. Bhushan. The Supreme Court issued a stern rebuke to an advocate who filed a police complaint against the Supreme Court Bar Association's election panel. The court questioned the advocate's intentions and ordered his personal appearance, highlighting the seriousness of the matter. Supreme Court stays Bombay High Court order in Methodist Church dispute. Bhushan. The Supreme Court granted a stay against the Bombay High Court's interim order dated May 5, 2025, which allowed two individuals, aged 76 and 73, to continue as active bishops of the Methodist Church of India. The apex court's intervention came after concerns were raised about the applicability of the Church's constitutional provisions regarding the age of bishops. Plea in Supreme Court challenges Assam's pushback policy. Bhushan. A writ petition was filed in the Supreme Court challenging Assam's pushback policy for tackling infiltration from Bangladesh. The petition alleges that the state government is arbitrarily deporting individuals without following due process, violating Articles 14, 21, and 22 of the Constitution.